Hi there, students. Prosaic, an adjective. Prosaically, the corresponding adverb. If something is prosaic, it's dull, everyday, boring, unimaginative. I need to fulfill my prosaic obligations of the day, like making my bed and cleaning my room. Now, this word prosaic comes from the word prose. Prose is the contrast to poetry. Prose is plain writing, whereas poetry has metre and rhythm, and therefore is more interesting. Prose is just commonplace writing. So we can actually use the word prosaic to mean having the written characteristics of prose, not poetry, lacking the elegance of poetry. But we mainly use this word prosaic figuratively to mean boring, straightforward, everyday. Many manual jobs are prosaic and leave little room for the development of the soul. My morning was very prosaic. I went to the bank, I did the shopping. So, the monotony of everyday prosaic life. I am sick of the prosaic poetry of advertising. Boring, unimaginative rhymes to advertise a product. For our lives to gain meaning, we need to leave the prosaic and mundane behind. So prosaic, unimaginative, humdrum, what happens every day, the boring necessities of life, not something different and exciting. So you could say, I watched another prosaic Hollywood movie. You can almost guess what's going to happen in a prosaic movie. I want innovative solutions, not the prosaic ones that people normally provide. Thinking outside the box is not prosaic. So prosaic, not fanciful, not imaginative, lacking wit, not challenging, dull and lacking excitement. The prosaic lies of politicians promising the things that they believe people want to hear. So if something is prosaic, it's everyday. It's nothing out of the ordinary, it's nothing different. I think I'd probably give this word a 7 to 8 in formality. It sounds like quite a literary word. So I think informally you might want to use the words boring, everyday, unimaginative, something like that. And as to origin, well, we have the word prosa in Latin, meaning prose, which comes from proresus, meaning straight ahead. Pro, forward, and versus, turned. So turned forward, going straight ahead and not going to the side to do something different or interesting. So prosaic, dull and boring, not out of the ordinary, every day. So I hope this video wasn't too prosaic and provided you with things to think about. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Prosaic.